Insomnia. Can't sleep. If you struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep at night, it can take a huge toll on your health and well-being. Here's how to end the sleepless nights. A good night's sleep is just as important as regular exercise and a healthy diet, research shows. That poor sleep has immediate negative effects on your hormones, exercise performance, and brain function. It can also cause weight gain and increase disease risk in both adults and children. In contrast, good sleep can help you eat less, exercise better, and be healthier. Over the past few decades, both sleep quality and quantity has declined. In fact, many people regularly get poor sleep. If you are suffering from insomnia, there are many steps you can take to change behaviors and lifestyle to help you get to sleep. Here are some tips for beating insomnia. Wake up at the same time each day. It is tempting to sleep late on weekends, especially if you have had poor sleep during the week. However, if you suffer from insomnia, you should get up at the same times every day in order to train your body to wake at a consistent time. Eliminate alcohol and stimulants like nicotine and caffeine. The effects of caffeine can last for several hours, perhaps up to 24 hours. So the chances of it affecting sleep are significant. Caffeine may not only cause difficulty initiating sleep but may also cause frequent awakenings. Alcohol may have a sedative effect for the first few hours following consumption, but it can then lead to frequent arousals and a non-restful night's sleep. If you are on medications that act as stimulants such as decongestants or asthma inhalers, ask your doctor when they should best be taken to help minimize any effect on sleep. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can improve sleep quality and duration. However, exercising immediately before bedtime can have a stimulant effect on the body and should be avoided. Try to finish exercising at least 3 hours before you plan to retire for the night. Limit activities in bed. The bed is for sleeping and having sex, and that's it. If you suffer from insomnia, do not balance the checkbook, study, or make phone calls, for example, while in bed or even in the bedroom, and avoid watching television or listening to the radio. All these activities can increase alertness and make it difficult to fall asleep.